As technology continues to advance, it is no surprise that artificial intelligence, AI, has made its way into the culinary world. Chefs and cooks can now utilize AI in various ways to improve their craft and provide a better dining experience for their customers. Here are 10 ways that AI can help chefs and cooks. AI can help chefs create new and unique recipes by analyzing ingredient combinations and cooking techniques. It can also provide insights into food pairings and flavor profiles that would be difficult for a human to discover on their own. AI can analyze sales data and customer preferences to help chefs and cooks plan menus that are more likely to be successful. It can also identify trends in seasonal ingredients to help with menu planning. AI can monitor inventory levels and predict when ingredients will run out, which can help chefs and cooks order the right amount of ingredients and reduce food waste. AI can provide recommendations on cooking techniques based on the type of ingredient and desired outcome. It can also adjust cooking times and temperatures based on external factors like humidity and altitude. AI can monitor food storage temperatures and alert chefs and cooks if there are any issues. It can also track food expiration dates and help with food rotation. AI can help with customer service by providing recommendations and answering frequently asked questions. It can also analyze customer feedback to help chefs and cooks improve their dishes. AI can act as a virtual sous chef by providing step-by-step instructions and timing recommendations for dishes. It can also assist with ingredient prep and cooking techniques. AI can provide personalized recommendations for customers based on their preferences and dietary restrictions. This can help chefs and cooks create dishes that are tailored to each individual customer. AI can help chefs and cooks save money by reducing food waste, improving inventory management, and optimizing menu planning. AI can analyze food quality and identify any issues before they become a problem. It can also provide recommendations for improving dish presentation and flavor. AI has the potential to revolutionize the culinary industry and provide chefs and cooks with valuable tools for improving their craft. From recipe creation to quality control, AI can help chefs and cooks create better dishes and provide a more personalized dining experience for their customers.